दादू बघ जाऊन सांग. हॅलो हॅलो चालू केलंय. I'm just checking it live or not. Live or not? Please check once. Yes, setting connected. Live. Okay, fine. So now you are able to see my screen. Hello everyone. I hope my screen is visible. This is a Sketcher environment. So today I will cover Sketcher environment. So I'll just start the tutorial. If anyone have problem, please comment. So let's go in the comment in the Sketcher environment. Here you can see Sketcher. Always use position sketch. Here you can see you have the two options of sketch. First one is the position sketch. Second one is position sketch. First one is normal sketch. Okay. So always use the position sketch. So I'll tell you how why. So first, if you select that normal sketch, and here you can see the three axes are there, so x, y and z. So I just wanted to draw a sketch like that. This my sketch, my orientation should be vertical to the z axis and horizontal to the y axis. So if I select that normal sketch, it will just automatically take it, and just you can see it is vertical and horizontal. If I want, you can see now I just select the position sketch, and here I want to draw a sketch. Here you can see you will get the vertical and horizontal directions. So here I can change the directions also. Means I want horizontal and vertical direction reverse swap. So here you can see just activate swap. So now your orientation will be y-axis will be your vertical. Means this is how you can draw a sketch. This will be your orientation. This is vertical. Now this is horizontal. I will just click OK. So now you can see this is vertical and horizontal. So like that you can draw a sketch wherever, means whatever orientation you want to draw. So here you can reverse the horizontal, reverse the vertical, swap it. So like this you can draw a sketch. So anyone have doubt in that CATIA software or any doubt, please do comment. Now I'm totally cover the sketcher toolbars are there. So firstly I will just use the position sketch. I will just go in the position sketch. So here you can see the toolbars are there. So first one is profile toolbar. In that toolbar you can see the multiple profiles you can draw by using that toolbar. So here first one is profile, second one is hexagon. Hexagon means this is the predefined profile toolbar. So here you can find the normal rectangle, 3-point rectangle, oriented rectangle. This is the parallelogram. This is the elongated hole. This is the cylindrical elongated hole, keyhole, hexagon, centered rectangle, and centered parallelogram. So this is how you can draw the profiles by using that commands. I will just not go through each command. I will explain in this tutorial in detail. So these are the different profiles are there. By using that you can draw a sketch. So next toolbar will be the operation toolbar. If you draw a sketch and you wanna just perform any extra operations like fillet, chamfer, so that operation command will be helpful to you. So here you can mirror the, means it will save you lots of time to create a same file, and you want to create multiple profiles for the same. This pattern will you can use this command translate by like patterns. So you can single draw a single circle, and you can use the multiple times that single circle. And this one is last one is the projected, means project command. So you can project the existing element, and you can use that references also. So next one is, next toolbar will be the user selection filter toolbar. So here these are the reference points. So these are the, means it will very rarely use. So I'll just keep it aside that toolbar. And now this sketch toolbar. So here you can see this is the grid. So if I activate that grids, you can see the interface of the CATIA. This is how you can activate and deactivate. And I'm just comfortable with this view, so I will just deactivate that grids. Okay, so if I just want, here you can see snap to point. So if I want to draw a sketch, so I'll just give it you an example. Draw a rectangle. So here I'll just zoom little bit. You can see I can able to draw a point in between that square profile. You can see that square profile also, like this. So I'm able to draw a sketch without any auto selected, with that 4 points are there. And if I activate that command, so I activate that snap to point command, it will just select, automatically select that 4 corners or 4 points. So this is how you can use that snap to point command. It will help you lots of your means horizontal and vertical orientations while drawing a sketch. So I'll just off. So next one is the construction command. These are the two-dimensional constraint command. It must be activated. Okay, it should be activated while doing the sketch. And you can see here the bottom, this toolbar, visualization toolbar, these three must be activated. So while you are sketching, it will just keep the constraint of all the dimensions and your profile geometries in, means constraint. So I will just cover the toolbar one by one. Just once again, I'll just toolbars, restore all toolbars, restore at all positions. Okay, cancel. So this is the first toolbar. Here dimensioning toolbars are there. Constraint. This is the profile toolbar. So guys, if anyone have doubt, please comment if you have any doubt. Operation toolbar. Okay, so I will just cover one by one. Keep the operation toolbar aside. The dimension toolbar, I'll just use that. Okay, so firstly I will just cover the profile toolbar in this tutorial. So I will just activate the, so how to use the profile toolbar. So I'll just activate the profile toolbar, and you can draw a line vertical, any angle degree. So like this you can draw a sketch. So like this you can use that profile toolbar. So this is how you can draw a rectangle, or whichever profile you want to draw, you can draw by using that profile toolbar. It's simple to use. So next one will be the predefined profile toolbar. So firstly you have to select the activate the rectangle command. First one is the rectangle. This is select the first starting point and select the end point, and just give the dimensions. It's constant, it coincident, coincident. So this is how you can draw the rectangle, and you can change the dimensions. Divide 20. So this is how you can use the rectangle. The next one is the oriented rectangle command. Oriented rectangle. So here you can see in the symbol also. So I will just select the first point. This will be my second point, and this will be my third point. This is how you can use that oriented rectangle. So next one is the parallelogram. So I will just activate it. First point, second point, and this is how you can select the third point also. I'll just click third point. So this is how you can use the parallelogram. Next one is elongated hole. I will just activate it. Select my first point. This will be my second point, and you can see select the second point first. This is how you can use the elongated hole. This is very simple to use. So next one is the cylindrical elongated hole. So I'll just select the first point. This will be my second point, and now I will just how to draw a elongated hole. This is how you can see. Like this, you can use that cylindrical elongated hole. So next one is the keyhole profile. So I will just select first point. This will be my second point. Now you can see this is how you can. This is very simple to use. If you practice it, you will get the idea how it works. Okay. So next one is hexagon. So I will just select first point and second point. This is how you can draw the hexagon. So next one is the rectangle. This is the centered rectangle. I will just select that normal to view. Now you can see it will normal. If you while you are drawing the sketch, your orientation will be misoriented. So here you can see in view toolbar normal view. Now you can see this is normal to the plane. So I'll just select the center point and just click the second point. This is how you can draw the rectangle or square also. Next one is the centered parallelogram. I'll just select the center point. So it will need two reference points are there. Take it support for the line. So I will just select first line. This will be my second reference. So now you can see this is how it will draw. It will take the reference of that line to that edge, two edges. So this is how you can draw a parallelogram. Till here, anyone have any doubt? So please do comment. I'll just wait. So predefined profile toolbar is completed. Here, this is very simple. If anyone have doubt, please let me know. I will just close it. Next one is the circle command. So I will select the circle. Just draw. This is how you can use the circle command. Select dimensions. This is how you can use the circle command. So here, this is the 3-point circle. I will just activate it. This will be my first point, this will be my second, and this will be my third point. So by using that 3 points, I will just create a circle. This is how you can use the 3-point circle. Next one is the circle using coordinates. So here I have the coordinate, means this is my 0 0. So I will just use the circle horizontal. I will just 20 by 20. So circle will be created in the here plus 20 and vertical side and horizontal side. It will created here. So having the radius 10 mm. I just click OK. So now you can see it will created at the first quadrant. This will be my first quadrant. This will be my second quadrant. This will be my fourth, and this will be my fourth quadrant. Sorry, this will be my third and fourth quadrant. So this is how you can draw the circle. So anyone tell me? I just wanted to draw the circle in the third quadrant. Here I want. Since I just draw simple vertical line. Okay. So my vertical reference, horizontal reference. So this will be my first quadrant, this will be my second, this will be my third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So here both signs are positive, so 20 20. I'll just give the coordinate 20 and 20, both are positive, so here it will draw a circle. So if I just wanted to draw circle here, so I will just select centered and horizontal. It this dimension is negative, so I will just select -20, and vertical dimension will be my positive. So just click OK. So now you can see it will draw in second quadrant. Similarly, I just wanted to draw in third quadrant. So what coordinates I should insert in that circle definition? Please comment. Anyone have an idea? I'll just little bit zoom out so you can see the screen properly. Okay, so this is negative at the x-axis. This will be the negative of the y-axis. So I'll just here also it will -20. Okay. This is how we can create the circle in the third axis. And for fourth axis, so here x horizontal direction will be my positive one and vertical is my negative one. I'm just okay. So this is how you can create circle at the fourth quadrant. So this is the basics, guys. You all know the basics. So this is how you can use the circle by using the coordinates. So next one is the three tritangent circle. So it will need the three lines. So I'll just draw one just line for the reference. So I will activate that tangent circle. First one I select that vertical, second one will be my horizontal, and the third one will be the this line. Now this is how you can create the right tangent circle. So it will require one three edge or three supports to create the tritangent circle. The next one will be the 3-point arc. So this will be my first point, second point, and third point. This is how you can create 3-point arc. Next one is the 3-point arc starting with limit. Okay. First, second, third. Okay, this is how you can create the 3-point arc with the limit. So next one will be the simple arc. I'll just select that point. This is my starting point, and this will be my end point. So it is simply just select first point, starting point, and end point. This is how you can create the simple arc. So this is how you can use the circle command. So I have just covered the three commands. So next one is the spline. In that you can find the two types of the spline. The first one is the select, first, second, third, fourth. So this is how you can use that spline command. You can change the dimensions also. So you can change its profile by using dragging the points. Next one is the connect. So how it will work, just tell you. So I have the two ends. It is this one and this one, starting and start point and end point. These are the open ends. So I want this close. So I will just select first point and sec second point. So this is how you can connect the 2 points. So any profile you can connect like this. So for example, I have the arc. So arc I have just draw. Okay. For example, this one. So I just want to close that arc. So first point and this will be my second point. So this is how it will close it. So it will not work properly. Now you can see. First point, second point. So this is how you can connect the 2 points by using that connect in spline command. So next one will be the conics. First, second, third, and fourth. This is four conics are there. So first one is the ellipse. So you just select center point, vertical and horizontal. This is how you can create the ellipse by using that 3 points. So next one is the parabola by focus. So first point, second point, this will be my start, this will be my end. So this is how you can use the parabola. Next one is the hyperbola by focus. So first, second, third. This is how you can create the hyperbola by focus. So next one will be the conics. First point, second point. This is how you can create the conics. Sorry. Just drag it. This is how you can use the conics profile. So this is conics. The next one is the line. Here you can see the multiple lines. So here line. First point, second point. This is how you can create the line. This is the simple. And you want to create the infinite line, you just select and just like this. You can see this is infinite line. Like this. It don't have the end. This is the infinite line. This is how you can create the infinite line. So by tangent line, so I'll just create two profiles, circles. First one and second one. So just select that by tangent line. I'll just select first profile. This will be my second. This is how you can see by tangent profile is created. So next one is the bisecting line. So now I'll just select that first line. This will be my second line. So this is how you can see this line is created. Bisecting line. This is how you can create the bisecting line. So now I just want to create once more bisecting line. This will be my first line, this will be my second. So this is how you can see, this is my bisecting line. This is how you can create the bisecting line. So now next one will be the line normal to curve. So here you can just select the curve here, and this is how you can create the line. I will show you once again. Select, and this is how you can create the line normal to curve. So that's the all about the line command. Next one is the axis. So basically axis is used to create the references. So this is how you can create the axis. This is horizontal, this is my uh, horizontal, and this is my vertical, this is my horizontal. This is how you can create the axis. So next one is the point. So this is multiple points you can use like this. You can create the point by using coordinate. You can just simply create point by using the just flip to screen. So this is how you can see 20 by 20 it will be created by using the coordinates. Delete it. So equidistance points. So you can create the equidistance points. So here I want to create the 3 points. Say okay. This is how you can see 3 points are created. Select the horizontal direction. Okay. You can edit the 20. This is how you can create the equidistance points. Next one is the intersecting point. If I have the two lines, uh, maybe curve. Okay. So I'll just select activity and select two curves. This is how you can create the intersecting point where these two profiles are intersect here. It will create the point. So next one is the projection point. So you can project the point if you have the existing any sketch are there, and you need one sketch. Okay. Okay. So this is how you can use the projected point. I have the this will be my sketch. So I don't remember how to use. Okay, so that's all about the sketcher toolbar. We have covered the profile toolbar here in this tutorial. So next one I will be covering the operation toolbar. Okay, so if anyone have the doubt, so please let me know. So thank you guys.